So it's Saturday the 24th of August 2024 on a very wet, miserable day. Look at this. This is bank holiday in Britain. Although in terms of where we are, it is quite gorgeous. So here we go. This is where my studio will be for the next 2 days. These mosaics I did with participants 2 years ago, just here, right now. So they are going to be inspiration for folks, I hope, and how we worked last time. And it's got a little bit of information on that. There you go. So I've just set up the workshop with all sorts of gubbins, like my portfolio to show folks. This is from Mosaic and Glass magazine, gorgeous magazine to have. And this one's from Grout back in the day in 2014 when I did the Chili project with the whole load of gorgeous people and a little comprehensive portfolio of what I've done and how I do it. So, and my business card, obvs. So, I think what we're going to do is start off with the Stourbridge Lion, because that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I've got all the tiles all cut up for folks with gloves if they need it. I've got the inspiration of the for the mosaic, and all the materials all set up and hidden underneath, and we're ready to rock and roll, really. There's nothing much to say at this point. I'm just going to be waiting for the gang to turn up. I'm hoping I'll have a few people. If not, I'll start placing tiles. I'm going to be working with a group of 4 children on the pair this afternoon, so I'm hoping to send some photos out on social media about that. So you can see how beautiful this space is. And this was done by my friend Nell last time during the International Festival of Glass. She was working alongside in the same room here, and she made a gorgeous autumnal leaf chandelier. Can you see? Beautiful. Just love it. Just love it. So, Caroline Jerrywalla, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon. Bye.